Good morning, everybody. 4 years ago, we had this lovely villa out in Koh Samui finished, and the swimming pool was polished concrete. So today we're starting to refurb the swimming pool. As you can see, the walls of the polished concrete have started to deteriorate. So we are going to retile. And today is the start of the refurb because we are going to be changing the filter from sand into a crushed glass, which lasts longer. Sand lasts about 4 years, and the crushed glass in the filter should last roughly about 7 to 8 years. So today is the start of it, so let's go and have a look. So as you see, the guys have arrived now to change the sand in the filter. This should take roughly about 45 minutes. So I'm not going to record everything, just a part of it. So as you can see, the pool room is quite dark, so I won't be doing much filming in here, but I'll try and keep as light as I possibly can for you guys. So to remove the sand from the filter and that we use in these pipes, they'll keep the sand filter full of water, and they'll be using the pipes to suck out the sand. As you can see, they're starting to take off the top and the pipes and that to the filter, so they can gain access to the inside and the sand. So they're now filling up the filter and that with the water, and in goes the suction tube and that to start removing the sand. So while everything is apart, we'll also be replacing all the seals as well. So here's the sand going into the used sand going into bags, ready for them to take away. The water will just run out the bags and that, and should fill about 6 to 8 bags. So this is what we'll be replacing the sand with, which is a crushed glass. And again, it should take 5, 6, possibly 7 bags to fill up, but we think 6. So they're now checking the seals on all the other bits and pieces of the connecting pipes. So the filter is now empty of the sand. Unfortunately, you just can't see inside, too dark, and I haven't got a light to go into it. So it's empty, and they're preparing the glass to go in. So we're now just starting to pour in the glass into the filter. Should take 6 bags. Please hit the subscribe button if you like what you're seeing, and also to see more of me in Samui, videos of local beaches, restaurants, and also just going to start a new project, Food with a View. So hit the subscribe button at the end. We'll appreciate it. Thank you. So part two will be coming shortly when we tile the pool.